Hi, I'm Richard from Progress Housing Group's repairs team. I just want to show you what you should do in the event of a gas emergency in your property. First of all, you need to locate the gas mains, which can be in several different places around your property, but with this property in particular, it's outside at floor level. So one thing you may need is a key such as this, which you can get from your energy supplier or from a local hardware store. You need this key to firstly turn the lock to lift up the lid, and as you can see, this is a gas meter and it has a safety valve here, the red handle. That is on at the moment, just like the picture shows. To turn it off, you just turn it down like that, and that isolates your gas to your property. If you can still smell gas, then you can always ring National Grid to come out and they will attend ASAP. Switch that back on now. So just to summarise, if you smell gas within your property or you're doing some decoration and you've accidentally nailed through a pipe, then locate your gas meter and immediately switch off the valve, and then ring our repairs team and they'll come out, send an engineer to come out. Or if you can still smell gas, phone National Grid and they'll come out and attend and make safe.